Well, hello. Thank you for joining me for Chocolate Factory Simulator. It's a brand new game that just came out. Thank you to the devs for allowing me to play a few days early. We did play a Next Fest demo of this. It was actually a late Next Fest demo because the demo that was released on Next Fest didn't play the greatest. So I had tabled it, and then an updated version came out, and now it plays much better. Or played much better at the time. We're kind of set in a steampunk world where we are making chocolate. Funds multiplier, I'm going to leave it at the same vapor chocolate. We're going to change that to night. You can randomize it, which is kind of fun. Factory logo. That looks like rabbit turds. Gingerbread. I'm pretty sure I said this in my previous commentary in Next Fest. This already the aesthetic of the game reminds me so much of another game that came out years ago called The Chocolatier, where we helped save a family's chocolate business. It was really quite fun. You traveled around the world and gathered ingredients and uncovered a plot. Gingerbread cookies. Not really feeling. That's not really fitting my aesthetic either. Well, I guess let's just do that. Start the game. Welcome to your chocolate manufacturer. First steps. Welcome to your very own chocolate manufacturer. Create delicious confections of various whimsical designs. Sell them to customers who each have their own specific tastes and requirements. Develop your workshop and become a household name known on every airship. Pick up the communications device. Uncover Nougat. Install the communications device. And speak up. Install the communication module on Nougat. Esteemed confectioner, you have given me the ability to finally communicate with you. Thank you. Now let us speak of chocolate. Unfortunately, at present I am unable to assist you physically. I lack essential parts. Nougat, you were supposed to let me finish reading that. Game devs, whenever you have dialogue like that, don't make me click a button to make it go away, because I want to narrate it. Anyway. You discovered the balcony. This machine is not available yet. But anyway, I wanted to come out here right away because I thought this was a lot of fun. That was really cool. That was really, 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 really cool. Okay. Main page. Now, you are holding in your hand your most valuable possession. This book stores all crucial information about your craft, the recipes, the state of your storage, the store, and etc. It is the command center for your entire manufacture. Make sure to use it often to check the state of your business and recall recipes. Don't try to eyeball the measurements. Oh, but I am totally an eyeballer. Your book is very important. This book stores all crucial information about your craft. The recipes, the state of your storage, the store, etc. Okay. Hi. Hello, I would like some chocolate for the journey ahead of me. I always get the munchies when I'm traveling. He looks like size-wise, and the cheeks, he looks like a baby, but he's got a mustache. All right, Mr. Hawk. Excellent. Great, I can't wait. Pick up the bag of cocoa powder. Pick up. While holding the ingredients, interact with the container. Okay. right. Add cocoa powder to... Okay. How much? 45? Oh, okay. Okay. Where? I got it in my hand. Add cocoa. Oh, cocoa butter. Okay, sorry, my bad. I can read instructions, I promise. Though, fun fact, I'm a really great cook. I can toot my own horn. I am a great cook. I am an awesome cook. Terrible baker. Fantastic. Now it's time to turn on your machine. Feed the furnace to power up and lead. Okay. Machines need power. Machines need steam to work. The furnace is the source of all your power. It has two gauges, one that indicates the fuel in the furnace and another that indicates the pressure created. In order to increase the pressure output created by the furnace, you must either use higher quality fuel or upgrade the furnace. All right, that makes sense. I want to look out the window. Can I look out the window? I'm pretty fascinated by the whole... You discover the boiler room door. So how did I end up here? Did I inherit this from a rich uncle or what? I guess it doesn't particularly matter. What am I doing? Okay. I did remove the cover from the heater. Oh, over here. Just keep mixing. Chocolate can be very sensitive. It starts to burn at 35 degrees, so make sure to heat it up very slowly and very gently. If it starts overheating, a triangular progress bar appears over the pot. Start stirring. Once the required temperature is reached, fill in the progress bar. Now your chocolate is ready. Okay. How do I stir? Okay. I remember struggling with this before, too. Okay. How do I stir? I'm guessing I'm doing it. I cannot. I remember struggling with this in the demo as well. Okay. Okay, I am back. Let's see. We're gonna pick this up. So, sorry, a little bit of an odd start. I left because I was having such a mechanic issue with this. It doesn't feel like it's working. But I contacted the developers, or the PR person, and it said that it should. There it goes. Okay. Okay. Pick that up. It just doesn't feel like it's working, though. Oh, probably because it has to be between 43 and 48. Okay, hold on. Alright, just unlike real life, I had the temperature way too hot. Okay, tempering chocolate is a process that stabilizes the chocolate, making it smooth and glossy and not as meltable when touched. To temper chocolate, it must be properly cooled, then heated to its tempering temperature. Appropriate temperatures are listed in the recipe page in your book. Okay. Crystallize the chocolate by cooling it to 27 degrees. I always think of, during the pandemic, there was a YouTube channel, Bon Appetit, that I used to watch all of the time. And it had like all these different chefs and cooks on there. And like there was like Saf who recreated, and there was that guy who blind tasted food and recreated. Anyway, I really liked him, but I remember she struggled so hard with doing tempering chocolate. And that was my introduction to tempering chocolate. Raspberry, macadamia, hazelnut, banana, cinnamon, almond, pistachio, and strawberry. How are we doing? Okay, you still need some time. Recipe is easy. Okay. Pick up. When I was stirring, it didn't feel like it was doing anything, so I thought something was wrong. Because there's no animation of it stirring, right? So, other than your spatula is stirring, but visually it doesn't look like the spatula is in the pan, nor is the contents actually stirring, and that really threw me off and made me feel like something was wrong. But it says that it's fine. I mean, it worked. But yeah, visually it doesn't look like the spatula's in there, right? So I was just like, what? Do I need to be stirring you? Are you okay? Don't know. It doesn't say. I mean, I know from that video that they were stirring vigorously. Okay. Remove cover from press. Oh, I somehow picked up the mortar. I didn't mean to, but... Okay, you discovered the press. Alright, missing filling spots. Open the press with the rear, okay? Got it. Pour the liquor, which I'm assuming you mean this, right? Oops, I think I miscalculated the ingredients needed. It was too much, boss. You can pour what is left into another container, or if you think it'd be useless, into the trash, because we will still need the pot. Oh. Okay, close the press. We got our first bar. Right. Okay, what? I missed what he said. His message went by so fast. Start the packaging machine. Okay, take this. And we're going over here. Bye. Miss you. Start the shipping machine and wait for the airship to pick up the parcel. Oh. Oh. Bye. Bon voyage. Have fun. It looks delicious. I can't wait to consume it. Good luck in your future endeavors, chocolatier. Your reputation has increased by 44. Your current reputation is now 74. Keep up the good point. Ah, the first satisfied customer. It was cause for celebration, but we must not grow complacent. Maintaining our workshop in good condition is just as important as creating the chocolate, and that message went by too far. Okay, I know that I talked about this before, because I distinctly remember it in the demo talking about it, because it would be, if you have a mobility issue, this would be really hard. Tighten any loose bolts. Fix a machine. Silky smooth, sensual. No, I need to describe chocolate for my novel, so I need it immediately. Right. Use a mortar and pestle. Grind the ingredients until you obtained the desired texture. Okay. Hold on. Or do I need to put a bowl, though? Maybe I need to put a bowl there? Oh, the mortar and pestle. Okay. Something more exciting. Chocolate truly is astounding. Its ability to remain delicious and almost anything you add to it. I put in a lot. Okay. Add cocoa powder to the pot. Powdered milk. I stopped. Okay. Sugar. Tab. Recipes. Dark chocolate. Almond filling. I'm stirring way too early and I know it, but I just wanted to be prepared. Should be kicking in by now, right? Milk chocolate. Oh. Okay. We weren't tempering it, huh? Oh, this is kind of obnoxious. I think it depends on how you approach it. Okay, this is exactly what I needed. Thank you. I will definitely return with more orders. Probably would have been better if I had tempered it. Another satisfied customer. Great job, master. I'd like to help you more, but unfortunately I cannot move without wheels. You need to accept and complete a few orders. Remember not to reject orders too often. This may result in a negative opinion about us. I paraphrased because... I will... Okay. What do you want? Milk chocolate. Tempered. Just regular milk chocolate? Oops. Okay, put that there. Okay, so between 45 and 50, you say. I kind of want to turn the temperature up, but I'm afraid then it would become out of my control. You discovered the chocolate design table. New event in the world. I know that it's probably not the most entertaining of things, but I'm actually kind of liking it. We've played worse Sims. I don't see any bolts here that I need to worry about, right? Okay, as that goes. You know, we have a bedroom somewhere. Okay, so we can't go down, which was just like the demo. We couldn't go down either. Hey, you discovered your office. Oh, here. We can get a better view from up here. That sun makes me want to cover my eyes. Like I was squinting. Okay. Perfect. Nice. Hello, I would like some chocolate for my journey ahead of me. I always get the munchies when I'm traveling. Thanks. Great. Semi-sweet chocolate. White, vegan, ruby. I don't know what the new event in the world means. Oh. Okay. This bad boy wants to get hot. I was gonna check if there are settings for Fahrenheit. The Celsius doesn't bother me, but makes me want to check. Well, something went wrong due to the incorrect incorporation of ingredients. You created an unusable mass. Perhaps the temperature was not accurate. Maybe the ingredient proportions were incorrect. The possible reasons for this are plenty, so make sure that you are following the recipes to the letter. Nobody likes living in dirt. Use a garbage chute to get rid of empty packages or contents from dishes. Okay, I guess let's try that again. Oh. Okay, cocoa butter is 20. All right, sugar is 14. And powdered milk is 22. Oop. Team 22. It says matching recipe found. We're gonna have to figure out what that new event in the world means. Just confused or we're busy. We can't go look. So when it's yellow, I from the messages that I can tell, that's when we stir. Okay. All right, now you gotta cool down to 29. I was gonna go take a quick look to see if we can figure out what's the new, like when it says new event. Chocolate vending. This machine is not available. Do not remove the cover. Oh, well, you're no fun. Cool. It says 0%. I don't... Mysterious door blockage. The mysterious passage seems to be blocked more securely than the others. It's not possible to enter now, but maybe in the future. Tampering machine... Malinger cover? I don't know what that means. Package design table cover. Ah. Interesting. How you doing? You still need a few more minutes. Or moments, I guess. Minutes may be generous. Basement blockage. Okay. And then back up to 42. have more presses. Nice. I just realized after he made that, I was like, he only wanted one, right? Like... What's okay? Quick. Let's go look. New event in the world. I'm not seeing anything. I was confused by the 0%. I don't know why it's saying 0 when we look at the bag and it says that there's something. Okay, so we need more fuel for that. Thanks to the improvement, Nougat will become an increasingly useful helper. To upgrade your Nougat, call him to the docking station to activate the maintenance mode. Buy a movement module for Nougat. Where do we buy that? Nougat. Do I have like a ordering device somewhere? Cocoa time. All right. Where do I do said thing? In the book? In the book. Movement module for robot. There you go. Oh, hello. Ooh, fun. Thank you. Okay. All right. Thank you, Master. Oh, but things have changed here. I didn't. You bestowed upon me the ability to move. Finally, I can accompany you around the workshop instead of just watching from afar. Okay, container is empty. All right, he wants semi-sweet chocolate. Um, 14. Put that here so I don't, like, mix it up with something. All right, and then cocoa butter. That's not what I meant to do. All right, this is powdered. Having performance anxiety. Okay, 22. Oh, up there. All right, we got a few minutes. I can run up there real quick. I'm not gonna use it though. I'm cooking. There's something on the stove. It would be like me to burn it, but I do want to adjust the handle to turn it to the side. I'm left-handed, and I so want to turn it just a smidge. So immersion-wise, I would be holding it with my left hand. Okay, that needs to cool down. I guess we got a minute. We'll run upstairs real quick and renovate something. Everything's expensive. I imagine it's just like regular life where things get more... it's much cozier now, Master. As always, you have impeccable taste. It's time we complete some orders. We have to show the world what we're capable of. I didn't make anything, but you know what? I'm not gonna deny you that pleasure. So really how a business like this would work is you would make every type of chocolate at that, like in your morning, boxed up and then send it out. Made to order is a really slow way to do it unless they're, you know, you get a few orders here and there of unique things. Which I'm sure there's going to be some sort of automated process coming up with all the different machines. Where are you going, buddy? Okay, okay, how do I... I want him to do something, but it doesn't say. Okay. Well, go on. Live your best life. Alright. Milk chocolate. I will be honest, is flaring up my carpal tunnel. Okay, 45 to 50 Celsius. Apothecaries create exactly 100 grams of milk, or of an ingredient. Capacity 29 degrees. Nougat, do you know what it means when it says a new world event is happening? Because I feel like I'm missing out, my bud. I did the command of come to me, and he continued to go the other way. I see how it is, Nougat. I see. Okay, so I turned that off for just a moment. Part of me wants to just make a handful of chocolates to get us through, instead of making like one individual batch at a time. Keep the furnace working for 60 minutes. It's getting hot in here. Achievement unlocked. But I also want to know what that world event is that we keep seeing the message, but nothing I can do. I can't jump, by the way. Like, jumping is not a mechanic. So we've got that. We'll have to do some shopping. Circle-shaped molds. Oval-shaped molds. And rectangle-shaped molds. Device used to measure atmospheric pressure. Is that something I need to worry about? I don't know where to put this. Okay, let's go look. New event in the world. What does it mean? There's nothing. I don't know what I was expecting. Fireworks or something, but I got nothing. I got nothing. I'm just gonna guess it's content we don't have access to yet. 'Cause we're newbie chocolatiers. Oh, you know what? I think I bought those rectangle shaped modes and we already have them. Oh, do I somehow fit them into this? Ah. Got it. Replacement molds for the press. The press can be modified with additional forms and designs that can be found in the shop. Replace the default rectangular form with whatever form you purchased, and then select the respective design for the press to mold your chocolate. Alright. Well, I think I'm going to stop here. If you guys want to see more, let me know in the comments. Oh, I know what I was going to do before I leave you. Let's check the settings real quick. Screen mode, macro, notification timer, mouse sensitivity, inverted controls, WASD, sprint. Yeah, all what we expected. Yeah, nothing too crazy that way. You can't change from Celsius to Fahrenheit, which again, not a problem for me personally. And then the other thing is the wrench motion. If you have a mobility issue, that could be a problem for some people. And so maybe there should be a setting for that. Those are my only two things, but not a game breaker for me. But anyway, if you want to see more, let me know in the comments and I will do another video. Thanks so much, guys, for keeping me company.